Hi, my name is Kaylee, and I'm going to be walking you through how to do a proper bridge pose, or Setu Bandhasana in Sanskrit. I've got my friend Brendan here to help me. This is a really nice back bend, chest, shoulder, and heart opener. So we're going to start lying down on our backs. As you come to lie down on your back, have your knees bent. Rest your hands down by your sides, the palms facing down into the mat. You'll walk your feet in so that they're underneath the backs of the knees. Then we want to make sure that the feet are parallel and about hips distance apart from each other. To start to come into this posture, begin by pressing the shoulders and the upper back down into the mat. This will initiate that chest opening here. Then push down into your feet and slowly begin to lift the hips up. As your hips lift to a certain height, you may crawl the shoulders in a little bit closer together underneath the chest. This will allow a little bit more opening in that front chest and the shoulders. Now, we don't just want to crank and thrust the hips up to the ceiling. We want to keep the lower back long here, lengthening the tailbone towards the backs of the knees. If your knees start to splay out to the side, that tells me that you're clenching those glutes and shortening up the lower back. We want to keep the low back nice and spacious. So draw your knees in, soften into those glutes, and lifting the hips up. Again, bridge pose is an awesome back bend, chest opener, shoulder opener. So if you're feeling tight, or even if you're feeling low energy, this will energize you, wake you up. When you're ready to come out of it, slowly lower those hips back down to the mat. Draw the knees into your chest, rock and roll up to a seat. So that's your bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana.